Hello, everyone, and welcome to this live Forex trading session. As usual, we're just going to go through the markets, see what opportunities there are for us in the markets. And after we've gone through the markets, we'll take any questions, comments you have regarding trading and the markets. So let's kick off. As usual, we start off by looking at the economic calendar. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of November. As usual, always make sure you set your time zone to your own time zone. So my own time zone is GMT +2. So the times I'll be quoting are GMT +2 times. So the main market we're looking at is the Euro-US dollar. So we're looking out for reports of high importance that could affect the Euro-US dollar. So let's have a look. So we can see at 9 a.m. earlier today, GMT +2, we had the Germany inflation rate. And that's obviously have a huge impact on Germany. And of course, Germany is the powerhouse in Europe. So that'll have an impact on the euro and hence the Euro-US dollar. So let's see what else is coming up. And you can see at 3:30 GMT +2, we have the US inflation rate report. And as we all know, reports of high importance from the United States affects all global markets and all currency pairs. And I think that's also the last report of high importance today. So the last report of high importance today is the US inflation rate report, which is a report of huge significance. And like I said, would affect all currency pairs and all global markets. Hence, there's a high probability of all markets trending sideways prior to this report. So hence, my plan earlier this morning was to avoid trading and wait till just before this report before I place my trades. Also, don't forget to keep an eye on Market Watch to see if there are any reports or news that could create uncertainty in the markets. But in specific relation to the currency market, there's nothing creating uncertainty regarding the currency market. So let's go to the charts. As usual, we start off with the swing trading, the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame, the moving average 50 today is 1.1630. So as you can see, I've adjusted my pending buy order to just 2 pips above that to 1.1632 with a 100 pip stop loss. And that's all I need to do from a swing trading point of view. I'll reassess this again tomorrow morning. So down to the day trading, 5-minute time frame. Initially this morning, the market was trending sideways. That's why I drew up the sideways trend. So the market was initially trending sideways between these two white lines, but you can now see the sideways trend has been broken. The market went back up, and then you can now see it's trending down. So I'll just delete those white lines because you can see a new trend has now formed. So at the moment, the market is falling. It's broken S2. The moving average is now below S1. So if the market continues to fall, there are currently no sell opportunities. There's nowhere we can catch the fall. Then the market hasn't formed the market support, and you can't use S2 to trade, well, whereas the market is already below S2 anyway. So at the moment, there are no sell opportunities. Well, the market reverses. I can potentially buy above S1 because it's currently above the moving average. But I'm not going to place any others yet because we have the US inflation rate report due out in about an hour. So I'll wait till just before the report. And if the market is still like this, I'll then place my pending buy order just above S1 just before the report is announced. So that's my plan for today. So if you have any questions, you can either raise your hands or send your comments or questions through the chat box.